So this is the body of the jig. This piece snaps off if you need to attach it directly to the material surface without a clamp, and you use this hole right here. There are thickness gauges in 1/8 inch increments on the jig depending on how thick your material is, and you can adjust these by sliding them back and forth to get the proper thickness. This is the bit it comes with, and it's specifically designed to drill pocket holes. There are depth settings in the case where you need to slide this collar up or down depending on your thickness as well. It comes with a long square tip bit that will drive the Kreg screws in, and it comes with a hex key as well to loosen or tighten the collar on the drill bit. So let's show you how it all works. First, you take the material. In this case it's 3/4 inch thick, so we need to adjust our depth gauge to the 3/4 mark. Then we will get ready to attach it. And this is the Kreg clamp, which is really useful as it will slide into the clamp adapter and make things go a little faster than using C-clamps or a different type of clamp. Next, attach the drill bit to your drill after adjusting the collar to the proper depth, and drill all the way in until it hits the collar. Once drilled, you can release the Kreg clamp and remove the jig, and these are the pocket holes ready to go. There are 2 side by side in this case to prevent spinning. You need to butt the other piece of material in this orientation, and I would always recommend applying wood glue to the joint before clamping them together. This will give it a much stronger bond. Once you're clamped and ready to go, grab the right side screw for the material thickness. In this case we're using 3/4 thick material, so we'll go with the 1 1/4 inch screw. Screw them in tight, but don't over tighten. Make sure your joint is flush as much as possible and sand down as needed for a seamless install. This is a completed pocket hole connection, and it's very easy to do once practiced. 2 thumbs up for this demo. Get out there and build. Go check out my video on building a floating bunk bed to see this tool in action, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much.